There comes a point in life where you don't know where you're headed. You don't know the decisions to make, the right choice. You don't even know what you really want. But that's alright. Sometimes losing yourself is the best way of finding it. Hello everyone, this is just Jofranz and you've just watched my first video here on this channel. I really appreciate that you've made it this part through the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And for more videos regarding filmmaking, travel and tech, I'm planning to do those type of videos on the future. So don't miss out on anything by hitting the subscribe button. And thank you and see you on the next video.